Hi guys, today I am talking about Instagram URL. How can we copy Instagram URL? If you follow my tricks and tips, we can do it easily. First of all, we go our Google Chrome, then you click on Google Chrome and go search bar, then you type http slash then you type http slash www.instagram.com slash then you type your Instagram username. Now I am typing my Instagram username. Now you click search bar, go. Now we can see my Instagram account. Now we click on search bar and tap. Now I am copying this link. Then we can share everywhere your Instagram link. Example, I am sharing my Instagram. Now I hope you can do it.